Coca-Cola is a drink. Coca-Cola makes you blink. Hello. Today I want to show everyone a Japanese vending machine village. So normally vending machines in Japan, well actually I think Japan is the country with the most vending machines per people in the whole world. So today we're going to a very concentrated vending machine village and I'm gonna get lunch there. So let's see, can I get a whole lunch just from vending machines? I think so, because I think here you can get like udon, ramen, soba, and I suppose drinks, and I suppose that they're all hot. So let's check it out. They even have sake. You can get sake if you want. And pasta. Orange. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is a drink. Coca-Cola makes you blink. And batteries. There's actually so much options here, I don't know what to get. Look, for example, you can even get like toys. So I actually don't know what I'm gonna get. I think I'm gonna get a little bit of it. Look at it. I think I'm gonna get a little bit of everything. They even have hot food like udon and soba, hamburger. Got it. So you can see it's udon, and it's got like meat, and it's got Naruto, and it's got udon. Oh, okay. Itadakimasu. It's not the best, but it's oishi. And the meat. It's good. This was only like 400 yen, so it was pretty cheap, and it tastes, I mean, it doesn't taste as good as one in a restaurant, but it still tastes like udon, and it doesn't taste like, you wouldn't imagine that you got this from a vending machine. Japan is so unique. Okay, it was so good, and now I'm so thirsty. Let's go get a drink. There's a lot of really unique drinks here, so I want to go and try and find the most unique and the most interesting drink. So let's see what we can find. I think I'll just get Coca-Cola. I want to go and try and find the most unique and the most interesting drink. So let's see what we can find. Oh, was gonna get a unique drink, but did you ever see Coke and you're just like, I only want to drink this now. So it's kind of cool because it's in a glass bottle. It's very vintage style. Come on. Maybe now I want to get some batteries. So you can make your own sushi. Make your own sushi at home. The sun is setting, as you can see. So I decided to finish this day with a nice bag of hot popcorn. You get salt, barbecue, choco, or something else. It looks like popcorn. So 150 yen.
American ポップコーンと世界へようこそ。お好みの味を選んでお待ちください。それではポップコーンと製造開始します。
Oh, it's counting down. It will take 3 minutes.
出来上がりました。
マイレンがかき氷食べてます。
お買い上げありがとうございました。
Popcorn. They don't actually have microwave popcorn in Japan, so this is like Hachimetes into Ireland. Yay! Let's get a drink again. Okay, so I'm about to go home, but I want to get a drink before I go, so I'm gonna get Ichigo Milk, strawberry milk. So cute. Okay everybody, thanks for watching, and if you like this video don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.